So now we know why no one can withdraw. The Tronmoon contract is 0. Yeah, so about a week ago, the contract started putting a number of days before there could be a withdrawal. And that was really surprising because they had millions of TRX in their contract. And so people that probably started at the beginning were able to, that were close to their redemption date, probably withdrew. And then when other people saw that they were withdrawing, they started withdrawing as well, which is quite normal, but unfortunate for people that were still counting on the TRX and the dividends for extra income. So there you go. This is a quick update. I'll go into the Tronmoon Telegram group to see if I can find out more information. So unlike the troncase version 1, I'm not sure if they're going to offer any type of rebate or any reimbursement for people that were blocked out of withdrawing, but I will keep you up to date as I receive information.